Biomedical researchers are working to understand the complex mechanisms of life, making discoveries that could lead humankind towards a more disease-free future. Microscopy is a vital tool for research in this field, allowing scientists to see how our cells react to infections or cancer. Advanced microscopy techniques, such as fluorescence and electron microscopy, are now creating opportunities for even deeper understanding of these processes. However, they generate huge sets of high-resolution imaging data, particularly when working with time series imaging of live cells. As researchers push the boundaries of biomedical science further, they need the software tools they use to keep up with the increasing demands of their data. Large imaging datasets can challenge the memory limits of even specialized computer hardware. The image software available to researchers may not be equipped to manage multi-channel time series data generated across multiple acquisition systems. With Amira Software, data sources from multiple imaging modalities can be imported into a single analysis and processing platform. Multiple volumes can be registered and correlated, and the multimodal data can be visualized in the same 3D space, with image fusion for cutting-edge correlative analysis. Xplore5D introduces out-of-core data conversion, allowing very large multi-channel or time series datasets to be visualized immediately, giving researchers immediate feedback on their 3D, 4D, or 5D data. Complex workflows designed by image processing experts can be encapsulated into reproducible recipes that non-experts can use easily, reducing the learning curve and dramatically improving your lab's productivity. The deep learning training interface in Amira software can be used to segment images based on hierarchical features. Custom models can be easily applied to new sets of raw image data as part of an automated recipe, making powerful deep learning-based analysis accessible in routine laboratory settings. Learn more about Amira software at thermofisher.com.